The Redmi Watch 4 made its initial debut in China, alongside the Redmi K70 series, in late November. After a month and a half, it has now expanded its reach to international markets, maintaining the excitement generated by its impressive features. Notably, the global version of the Redmi Watch 4 lacks Xiaomi's latest HyperOS, which accompanies its Chinese counterpart. Despite the absence of HyperOS, the Redmi Watch 4 remains a compelling product for consumers outside mainland China, offering a range of upgrades in terms of hardware and functionality. The Redmi Watch 4 boasts a durable aluminum alloy frame, complemented by a stainless steel crown and a quick-release strap, ensuring both style and practicality for users. One of its standout features is the 1.97-inch rounded rectangular AMOLED display, providing a visually appealing interface. The LTPS 5Hz screen supports a 60Hz refresh rate and achieves a peak brightness of 600 nits. With over 200 watch faces available, users have the flexibility to customize their device's appearance, and the ambient light sensor enables auto brightness adjustment for optimal visibility in various lighting conditions. In terms of health monitoring, the Redmi Watch 4 incorporates a 4-channel PPG sensor for accurate heart rate and blood oxygen level measurements. It also includes an accelerometer, gyroscope, and GPS to cater to the needs of fitness enthusiasts with over 150 sports modes. The device goes beyond fitness tracking, offering standard features such as sleep tracking, stress monitoring, weather updates, stopwatch, and app notifications. The inclusion of a built-in microphone and speaker enables Bluetooth calling directly from the watch, enhancing its utility as a communication device. Developed to withstand various conditions, the Redmi Watch 4 is water-resistant up to 5 ATM, making it suitable for activities like swimming and water sports. Powering the device is a robust 470 mAh battery, delivering an impressive battery life of up to 20 days on normal usage. This extended battery life ensures that users can rely on their Redmi Watch 4 for an extended period without frequent recharging. The Redmi Watch 4, with its impressive features, comes with a competitive suggested retail price of $107, making it an attractive option for users seeking a balance between functionality and affordability. This price point positions it as a compelling choice in the smartwatch market, offering value for money. Adding to its appeal, the Redmi Watch 4 provides consumers with aesthetic choices, being available in two stylish colors, silver gray and obsidian black. These color options not only cater to diverse preferences, but also contribute to the overall sleek and modern appearance of smartwatch, allowing users to express their individual style. In summary, the Redmi Watch 4's international release brings an array of features that cater to both fitness enthusiasts and users seeking a stylish and functional wearable. Despite the absence of HyperOS in global markets, its hardware and diverse capabilities make it a noteworthy addition to the smartwatch landscape. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and good luck.